Hey Brian, I just added you to the system, and all I did is just quickly went, got your business card, punched the email in here, hit save, and it went out. The system on its own went out and found your email and information about your company. We do that with everybody. On the back end, we're doing about 1,000 per month social media pins, and at any given time, you can just take an email and do a smart match on it, and it'll gather more data on it. But where this really comes into play is I'm going to send you another email that shows if somebody's on your website, you'll get a notification, an email or a text notification. And for you in particular with your website, that would be great. Once you've started an email dialogue, so you can see right here, our emails are showing up in the system. As soon as that happens, you know exactly who those people are. If you haven't started an email dialogue, you'll just get an IP address, maybe like a company name and things of that sort. But you won't actually get the exact person. So wanted to show you the technology. I'd love to do a complete demo for you, but I figured this would be enough to just kind of pique your interest.